Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Manjive Frogs is my YouTube channel name. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share, comment. For those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are new and you have not subscribed to my YouTube, please, my good people, please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. I really appreciate. So, guys, I'm from Kenya. East Africa, particularly in Nyanza province, Kisii County, from Masimba. That is where I am right now. So, guys, I've come here. It's our small shamba. So, guys, I've come here. So, guys, today I want to show you how these F-rains have done. They have done wonders. You can see even from TVs, there are a lot of floods around the country, in our country, guys. So, guys, I want to show you today what this F-rains has done. And you can see what the heavy rains has done, guys. So, guys, I want to show you some very shocking news right in my video. So, guys, you can see this is big trees which have been fallen down because of heavy rains. You can see, guys, this is water. We have another big tree there. I want to show you, my good people, so that you can see this heavy rains has done so many things. People have died because of these heavy rains. So, guys, you can see this is a big tree which has been fallen down because of these heavy rains. You can see that way. Those are the big trees. There are three. It's the big one. You can see the second one. And we have the smaller one here, guys. This is another one. It's very small. So, guys, this is a very shocking story to me because I never expected this. You can see water. This is water flowing there. You can see water that way. So, my good people, that was a shocking story to me because I never expected this rain will do this. But all in all, it has been done. We can't change anything. But we thank God it did not, nobody was around. This is another water here, guys, you can see. So, my good people, that is it. So guys, my good people, that is what this rain has done. Those are the big trees which has been fallen down since this rain started. But those are all these plants and we can't change it there. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly.